Welcome to Research Rocks. If you have MacBook, this video is very important for you because of I'm purchasing one more product, and that one is a screen protector, protect from the dust and scratches your MacBook. Always MacBook is most expensive and you can save the Mac screen. I'm purchasing this product as usual, favorite platform, and that one is a Temu. Product price is very affordable. Now we will do unboxing as well as how I fix this screen guard on my Mac screen. Let's check it out. This is the screen protector. Screen protector protects screen from the dust and scratches. One is a MacBook Pro 14-inch. We just simply open this one. This is our screen inside the box, and box is empty. Inside the box here some of the stickers we are receiving, how to open and single scratches, and you can clean before fix this screen. So I just simply show it to you the screen exactly. So here the showing the front we are fixing like this, and here is the showing back. So this portion comes like this. The front we are printed here in the Mac. So now we can, so previously I also used the same screen, but here there is a different types of screen I am receiving. So I just simply remove first one. Afterwards I won't clean the screen with the help of this towel, little towel as they providing. Now it's done. Now the screen comes like this, so proper. Inside the box we received two screens in the same prices. So I just simply remove here from like this. Now we receive this one as well, so I just simply rub it rough, so all bubbles can get out from your screen. Afterwards the final part comes. You just simply open this one and boom, your screen is ready. No one can recognize you are using screen protected in your Mac. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.